Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Putty using various ways. Chapter 1. How to install Putty from terminal. To start, open the terminal in Linux. Now, add the repository. Run the command sudo apt-get repository universe. Then enter your password. Then press the enter key to confirm. Now update the system. Run the command sudo apt-update. Then install the utility with the command sudo apt-install putty. Here, enter the letter Y to confirm. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Then, from Activities, open Putty. Chapter 2. How to install Putty in graphical mode. To start, open the terminal in Linux. Now, install the package manager. Run the command sudo apt-install synaptic. Confirm this process with the letter Y. After this, from Activities, open Synaptic. Enter your administrator password. Here, click Search. Then, enter Putty, click Search. Now right-click on Putty. Select Mark for installation. Then, click Apply. Click Apply again to complete the process. After this, you can open Putty from Activities. Chapter 3. How to install Putty from the source. To start, open the terminal in Linux. Then, update the system. Run the command sudo apt-update. After this, install the tools with the on-screen command. When prompted, enter the letter Y to confirm. Now download the Putty resource with the on-screen command. Then unzip the file. Run the command tar-xzvf file. After this, access the directory with the cd command. Here you are going to create a new directory. Run the command mkdir build, then access it with the cd command. Next, configure the environment. For this, run the command cmake space ... Press enter. Now compile the resource. To do this, run the command make. Then, run the following command to install the utility: sudo make install. Now try to access Putty with the Putty command. If you see this error, again run the command sudo make install. Finally, run Putty. You will have access to the utility. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.